Hello, today we are going to solve one problem based on random sampling. तो आइए देख लेते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है. A simple random sample of size n will be drawn from a class of 125 students, and the mean mathematics score of the sample will be computed. If the standard error of the sample mean for width replacement is twice as much as the standard error of without replacement sampling, then we need to find the value of small n. So here given that the population size is capital N, and which is nothing but 125, and the sample size is small n, and we need to find that. Also given that the standard error square of x bar for width replacement sampling is twice as much as the standard error of without replacement sampling. So as we know that the standard error square of x bar for width replacement is a sigma square by small n, where sigma square is the sigma is the standard deviation of population, and the standard error square of x bar for WOR sampling is nothing but capital N minus small n divided by capital N into small n sigma square. Okay, so from this we get 2 into root over 125 minus small n whole divided by 125 into small n is equals to 1 by root over n. So if we square both sides, we get 4 into 125 minus small n divided by 125 into n is equals to 1 by n. So n cancels out. We get 1 minus n by 125 is equals to 1 by 4. So n by 125 is equals to 3 by 4. Okay. So the value of n will be 125 into 3 divided by 4, and this results in 93.75, or we can say that 94, as n must be an integer. So option C or option D or option 4 is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved this problem, and that's all. Thank you very much.